Hi, everybody. This is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I have a birthday entry from Deidra. But look at happy birthday! Awesome. Okay. Says hello, beautiful. Well, thank you, Tina. Happy birthday, girl. Hope you have a fabulous day and year. Happy crafty day, lady. Your friend Crafty Deidra. Oh, thank you. Okay, let's see. Oh, it. So cute. She's got a birthday cake, balloons, party. It's got her information on the back. Yes. Cool. And let's see. Ooh, some sequins. Oh, look at a cute tag. Life wildflowers. Well, I can't talk. I'm sorry. Life, water, wildflowers. You must allow yourself to grow in all the places people thought you never would. That's cute. Okay. And we got some, a little celebrate, some eat more cake, and the best of times, birthday gifts, some birthday balloons, and then make all your wishes come true, some birthday stickers, and then this is cute, candles. Oh, I just discovered some gems there. TGIF. Goodness, I'm fabulous. I can't remember what TGIF stands for. It's one of those things. Okay, look at, she did it. This is ready. It's a little flash card. I think it's supposed to be like a little pocket. So I'll fix that. Alright, here we go. Got this set up. This is how I do things. So we're gonna stick. Yeah, that's good right there. Okay. Alright. Paper. Pen. Okay, this one at ATC. Oh. Deidra. There's one for that one. A card. Yeah. Okay. I want to draw a blank. I'm going to draw this week. Can't believe it's going to be already March 4th, 5th tomorrow. I can't believe a year. In a year already. Wow. I'm sorry. I'm just stunned that a year has gone by without my father-in-law, and it just seems like yesterday. I don't know. Just time flies, I guess, when you get older. 2. Okay. Boom. All right. Here's my giveaway bear. Got one for the index card, ATC card. I gave you one for the birthday card. Who sent me a card? I didn't. And I got 2 for this little card. There's 2 for extras. I determine how to classify the extras. So you guys are wondering how I'm doing that. Because all these little stickers and this little piece of paper is just 1 entry. But you get 2 entries, okay? Okay. And then this little, yeah, that's another 2 entries. I forgot to count, but it's easy to figure out. And then the tag is 2 entries. And then little gems and sequins are another 2 entries. So you got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12 entries, Deidra. And we're gonna get this stuff. I've been putting all my little birthday stuff in a little stuff like this. I call it my goodie bag. And that's little things that people send me. And then when I go to make something, I've been grabbing it. The birthdays I already got plans for. And it's, I have to wait. So then we're going to grab this. Whoops. Okay. Check it out. I'd have loved to see somebody enter then and where someday the whole thing gets big. It would be so cool. Behind and hop both it. And we're just gonna put the birthday card in here for now, because they are gonna go in my smash book. And I'm just going to put yours right here. Yours is a little nope, the sticker came up. So let's go there. There we go. There we go. There. All right. Oh, okay. I want to thank you for entering, and good luck. As always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. Thanks for watching. Have a good nice day or night.